What's in Mix 8, you might ask? To start us off, we have a repeat of Blue Thunder, which has brand new light blue rims and even brand new headlights and mossjam.com on the front grille. Moving right along to repeats, we have Radical Rescue with these yellow and red rims, and of course, the dedication to the firefighters, EMTs, and policemen who lost their lives on 9/11. Then the Overcast series concludes with El Toro Loco number 5 of 5 with its logo colored in, gray body, and even black and white horns. Then there was this truck called Whiplash, which had to be changed due to the fact that the trademark name under Marvel cannot be used for toy vehicles outside of Mattel. So now, this is the Whiplash. And yes, it includes the body from the original Whiplash render, as well as headlights, grille printing, and even an accurate turquoise paint color. Then the Nitro Neon series concludes with an updated Son of a Digger, which features dark blue headlights, smaller headlight sockets, new flame wrapping on the front grille, hood, and roof, as well as this brand new fluorescent purple roll cage, chrome charcoal rims, and even blue tires. And the final Retro Rebel, Cyclops, with its giant eyeball on the hood, is finally out, and it features a brand new casting never before used, but accurate to the real-life truck. And speaking of fairy tales, not only Cyclops, but also Sparkle Smash is featured in this case with the brand new rainbow metallic clear coat, as well as the sleek sky blue to pink design, and it even includes a giant horn on the top with a mystical mane. Oh, and did I mention that the black and green wrecking machine has been changed to the white and purple wrecking machine? An interesting look for the final inverse truck of the series for 2019. And to conclude Mix 8 for 2019, and the entire singles assortment for this year, it is the last training truck ever to be produced, the Dragon training truck with the emerald green chrome rims, yellow BKT printing, and even gray tires and a lime green roll cage. This has been your update on the Mix 8 singles, which will be reviewed soon and in stores on December 1st. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.